Dear friends, welcome to our channel, MetaDent, and our educational video series, Dental Talks. I'm Dr. Mohammed El Hadidy, dentist and oral surgeon and a consultant of cosmetic dentistry with over 25 years of experience. Welcome to part 2 of our Visiting the Dentist guide. In case you missed it, part 1 was all about finding your dentist and dental clinic which are perfect for you. We also shared some nifty tips to make your visit a breeze and get the most out of it. You can find the link to part 1 up on the corner of your screen. Now, we're going to dive into more dental wisdom to keep your smile bright and your visit stress-free. Ready for round 2? Let's jump right in. And now, the superstar of the show. The person we've been waiting for from the beginning of the video. The main player and the most important person in the whole system. The dentist. In addition to all mentioned above about specialization, experience, practice, and clinic management style, the dentist must gain the patient's trust and make them feel completely comfortable. To be able to absorb their fear and anxiety. Should be confident in own expertise, knowledge, and abilities. Should be a good listener, calm and patient, and understanding of the client's pain and anxiety. Should listen to the client's complaint, discuss it with them, and explain the medical condition and proposed treatment plan clearly, and explain all possible alternatives available. Being able to gain the client's trust and provide psychological comfort are very important skills that should be present in a successful dentist. Now, let's take a minute to talk about some important tips. Tips that will make your dental visit much easier, more comfortable, and get you better results. First, regarding the appointment timing. We should always try to schedule the appointment at a convenient time. Avoid very early or very late appointments. Avoid appointments after a long workday, physical or mental exertion. Try to avoid appointments during rush hours or very hot weather, for example. Try to choose convenient times as much as possible so we don't arrive at the clinic already exhausted or stressed physically or mentally, because this can have a very negative impact on us during the appointment with the dentist. Medical history. We must inform the dentist about our medical history clearly. If we have any chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or any problems with glands and hormones, or if there is pregnancy or breastfeeding. Any type of allergies. Any heart or blood vessel problems, such as blood clotting disorders, or if we have a pacemaker, for example. If there is any mental or neurological conditions such as epilepsy or depression. If we have any contagious diseases such as infective hepatitis. And if we are using any medications regularly or even temporarily, we should mention them to the doctor. The doctor will be able to deal with any health problems, but for your own benefit first and foremost. We must inform the doctor clearly about our medical history. Also, history with dental treatment. Did you have any previous experiences with dentists? What are they? Were they good experiences or there were any problems? What were the problems and their causes? Were they with certain types of anesthesia, fillings, or materials used? Was it about bad fillings or prosthetics that were unsatisfactory or uncomfortable? You have to tell the dentist everything so they can arrange a suitable treatment plan and avoid repeating any previous problems. Now, I want to mention a few important points before we wrap up this video. First, if you've eaten before your appointment. It's polite to brush your teeth or at least rinse your mouth well before seeing the dentist. Some people even bring a toothbrush and toothpaste to the clinic and brush their teeth right before their appointment. Of course, this isn't necessary, but it's a good idea to avoid having food particles in your mouth or strong smells. And please, try to avoid wearing strong perfumes or colognes when visiting the dentist. Even if the scent is pleasant, strong smells can be bothersome to the dentist or might even trigger allergies. Especially since the dentist will be working very close to your face. For female clients, please avoid wearing heavy makeup, especially lipstick or lip gloss, especially bright, shiny, or glossy colors. This can cause many problems, especially if you're getting white fillings or choosing the color for porcelain veneers. First, these colors can affect the dentist's vision and lead to choosing the wrong color for the filling or veneer. Second, the filling material might get stained and change color during the procedure. So, please keep this in mind. Enjoying the video so far? So please give it a thumbs up and don't miss out on our future dental tips. Just hit subscribe and that notification bell and join our family. Last but surely not least, a very important point that I want to end this video with is about the information we get from friends, family, and especially social media. These are all great sources of information, but unfortunately, a lot of it is incorrect or misleading. Many patients, especially females, come to the clinic talking about information they found online or heard from friends, and they're completely convinced it's correct. But in most cases, this information is wrong or at least not suitable for their specific situation. Don't believe everything you read online or hear from non-professionals, especially in those mom groups. We often deal with their advice in the clinics, and boy oh boy, it can be quite challenging. Every case is different, and a treatment that worked for one person might not work for another. Of course, you can share any information you have with your dentist and discuss it with them. But the final decision and responsibility lie with the dentist. That's all for today. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you have any questions or would like to see a video on a specific dental topic, please leave a comment below. And don't forget that sharing is caring, so help us spread dental knowledge by sharing this video. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more dental tips and advice at MetaDent EG. Have a great day, and take care of your teeth.